Amelia from Doxy.me, here to show you Screen Share. It's a simple way for you and your patient to share information in real time. With Screen Share, you can walk patients through treatment plans, results, and more. Or you can have them show you what's on their screen. It makes virtual care more collaborative and engaging. Let's see how it works. While you're in a session on your laptop or desktop, click the three dots in your control bar to open the More menu. Then select Screen Share. Select a single tab when you want to show a chart or lab results without sharing anything else on your screen. Or share a specific window, such as a PDF, imaging software, or a browser with multiple tabs. And if you need to move between different items, you can share your entire screen. Just be mindful that your patient will see everything visible on it. Once you've selected what to share, your patient will see it directly within the call window, making it easy to follow along. When you're finished, click Stop Sharing to return to the normal call view. Your patient can also share their screen when joining from a laptop or desktop. Click the three dots in your control bar to open the More menu. Then select Screen Share and choose the option to request your patient's screen. From care instructions to patient education, Screen Share makes virtual visits more interactive and collaborative. Try it during your next appointment and bring you and your patient onto the same page.